In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a custom-coded template in HubSpot from scratch. If you want full control over your layout, styling, and functionality using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and HubL, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Whether you're building website pages, landing pages, email templates, or custom themes, this is the foundation you need. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. The first step is to go to the Design Manager inside HubSpot. From your main HubSpot dashboard, navigate to Content, and then click on Design Manager. This will open HubSpot's full file manager and code editor. Think of this as your development environment inside HubSpot. On the left, you'll see your folders and theme structure, and on the right, you'll see the code editor, where you can write and manage your files. Once you're inside the Design Manager, the next step is to create a custom-coded template. To do this, click on Create New File. HubSpot will prompt you to choose the type of file you want to create. From the options, select HTML plus HubL. This is important because HubL is HubSpot's templating language, and it allows you to dynamically pull in content, modules, and fields. After selecting HTML plus HubL, choose Template as the file type. Then decide whether it's for a website page, landing page, blog, or email. Name your file and choose the folder where you want it saved. Then click Create. Now you're ready to start building your template. Inside the editor, you can write standard HTML to structure your layout. You can create your head section, body, div containers, headers, footers, and any structural elements you need. You can also use HubL to make the template dynamic. For example, you can insert HubSpot modules, add editable areas, and include dynamic fields. HubL allows you to use variables, conditionals, loops, and built-in HubSpot functions to make your template powerful and flexible. When building your template, you can add CSS in a few different ways. You can include inline styles directly inside your HTML, but for better organization, it's usually cleaner to use a separate CSS file. To create one, right-click your folder in the Design Manager and select New File. Then choose CSS. Name your style sheet and save it. Once created, you can link it to your template using the appropriate HubL or link tag in your head section. This keeps your design structured and maintainable. The same process applies if you want to add JavaScript. Right-click the folder, click New File, and select JavaScript. After creating your JS file, link it to your template so you can add interactivity, animations, form enhancements, or any custom functionality you need. Keeping your CSS and JS separate from your main template file is considered best practice and makes future updates much easier. As you build, make sure to save your work frequently. HubSpot's editor will highlight syntax errors and help you catch issues early. You can also use the preview option to see how your template renders before publishing it. Once your template is complete and tested, the final step is to publish it. In the top right corner of the Design Manager, click Publish. This action makes your template available throughout HubSpot. Depending on the type you selected earlier, it can now be used for website pages, landing pages, emails, or even structured within a theme folder if you're building a full theme. After publishing, go to your Pages section, create a new page, and when prompted to choose a template, you'll see your custom-coded template listed there. Select it, and now you can start building pages using the structure you just created. And that's it! You've successfully built and published a custom-coded template in HubSpot using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and HubL. This gives you complete design flexibility beyond drag-and-drop builders and allows you to create fully customized experiences. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.